In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a drum beat in Soundtrap. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to add a new track inside your project, and then from here, you want to go to drums and machines, okay? Now, from here, you could, of course, use the smart drummer, or you could go and use the patterns beat maker, which we're going to do right now, because I do think that's the easiest way to actually make a simple drum beat. So I'm going to click on here, and as you can see, you can select the instrument over here. So there's a bunch of different ones. You could go ahead and select whichever one you want over here from the kits, stuff like that. I'm just going to leave this one as default, but again, there's a bunch of different ones. Again, you have the pattern over here, you have the piano roll, and then the effects as well. So we're going to focus on the pattern right now because that's what we're going to be doing. There we go. And then this is actually very, very simple. So to make a drum beat, you simply want to go ahead and start clicking on these buttons. And as you can see, it's actually making this beat. So I'm going to just create something completely random over here, and we're going to see what this is going to sound like. Of course, you can then play it and see what's actually going on. So I'm just going to do something random. There we go. That's going to be about it. And I'm going to play this part and hear what actually is going to play. There we go. So it's actually already kind of a drum beat, okay? But of course, you could go ahead and cycle this. You could go and make it as long as you want. You can just use this ladder down here at the bottom to go as far as you actually want to go over here, okay? And you could also add a separate one over here, so you can have a bunch of different ones, like you have the mid-tom, high-tom, ride, crash, you have the crashes. There's a bunch of different ones, okay? You can go ahead and just select these and then add them in here and keep on clicking and make your beat that way. You can then go ahead and replay it. There we go, and then you'll be able to kind of hear how it sounds, and you can go and adjust that way. You can add some reverb, you can add some pan, some volume. You could go and of course do whatever you want in here. If you go into the piano roll, you could go and even draw this yourself if you want to, if you're into that. And yeah, that's basically how to make a drum beat in Soundtrap. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.